What's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be unboxing the new spring edition of Fabfitfun. So you guys want to see what I got in here, what my thoughts are, then definitely keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so before I get into today's video, I just want to give a quick shout out to two people. The first one is going to be an amazing subscriber of mine. Her name is Brittany G. I don't want to say her full name because I don't know if you want your information out there, but she did write me a beautiful handwritten letter, put a picture of her family in here, and it was so sweet. I love getting letters from you guys because I actually do write back. So if you guys don't have to ever send me anything, by the way, but if you ever just want to send me a letter, please do. I'd love to write back to you guys and just hear from you. And it really made my day. So thank you so much, Brittany. And then I also want to give a huge shout out to Christine because she was so sweet and she sent me the Dominique Cosmetics Rustic Glam Palette. Again, you guys do not have to send me anything, but she was so kind. She said that she knew that this is the one thing I was missing from my whole Dominique Cosmetics line was the Rustic Glam. So she wanted to give it to me and say thank you so much for being so amazing. So I am so appreciative of you guys both so much. You guys have no idea how much this means to me. So thank you guys so much. Also, I know I'll probably get a question today. What am I wearing on my eyes? Well, for once, I finally tried out the Daydream palette from Alter Ego. This is a dupe of the Huda Beauty Nude palette, and I actually really like the look that I created. It's just very, very soft, very spring, since we are rolling into the spring season, finally. And I just think that it's a very gorgeous palette. I finally got to go around and play around with this. I used just a couple shades. I used these two shimmers along with this purple and then this purple right down here. Absolutely a gorgeous palette. I do have a code with them, guys. It is code Dawson10. It used to be Allie10, but there is another YouTuber who has the exact same code as me. So we just switched over to Dawson10 if you guys want to go check them out. They are a fantastic brand. So with that said, let's dive into this video. All right, so Fabfitfun is an annual subscription box that retails for $49.99 and it always has a value of $200 plus. You get about 8 to 10 full-size items in here, and if you become a member, there's two different levels of memberships. The one that I signed up for is the one that I get billed every 3 months that this comes out. Every annual I get billed $49.99, and I do get to have like 1 to 3 choices of customization. But if you become like a full-on member, you get to have even more in-depth customizations available to you. You get first picks, and you get to have the ability to have add-ons. Now anybody can have add-ons, but I know there's different levels of perk membership. So I am on the one where you just pay every 3 months you get the box. That's one that I'm on, although you can buy like the full outright 4 boxes for a certain price. Now, I actually did this video back in, I want to say December. I believe it's part of my Vlogmas. And they actually sent that box to me for free for a video. And this time, they didn't send me anything, and I'm completely okay with that. But the reason why I want to bring this part up is because they gave me a discount code, and it was Allie10 to save you guys $10 off your first purchase. So when I first got that box available, I said that code, and it didn't work. And that was so embarrassing because I had so many of you guys reach out to me and say, hey, your code's not working. What's going on? You should let them know. So I reached out to Fabfitfun, and they only responded back saying, oh, I'm sorry, but you need to reach out to the affiliate program link to this. And they'll be able to work on that code for you. I did. Never got a response. However, I don't know if this is me or if this is that Allie Glines YouTuber. I'm not entirely sure. But when I went to go buy the box myself, I put in Allie10 and the $10 code actually worked. So I want to say that I have a code. Let me double check to make sure my code's right. Oh, no. So my code is the code Dawson. I am so sorry. So my code is code Dawson, which is a $10 coupon, and it's supposed to take $10 off your purchase. Well, I used the code Allie, and it gave me $10 for my purchase. I'm assuming that's for Allie Glines, who's a big YouTuber here on this platform. And this is why I had the Alter Ego change theirs, because you can get us both confused. But when I first got this available to me, I was so excited. I had a code and it didn't work, and I had some people reach out to me saying your code's not working. I reached out to them. They've completely ignored me. Like, the person who initially reached out to me never responded back when I sent her the video, never responded back on any of the comments, never responded back to me emailing her saying, hey, my code's not working. She didn't give a flying fuck about me. That's what it's like being a small micro influencer. You get treated by crap from a lot of brands. just want to give you guys a heads up on that. That's why I also don't really care to have PR. But regardless of all that bullshit set aside, I generally really did love the box. And it's something that I've always wanted to play around with Fabfitfun. So since I got that first box, I still use that blanket that I got in there in my slippers like all the time. Now the coffee scrub I did not try because I actually watched another review and the person said that their coffee scrub made them smell like shit. So I didn't use it. But the blanket and the slippers, are my favorite. And I did have, I think, like the scrub that I use as well. But I really just know I really enjoy that box. So it's why I decided to go ahead and purchase the membership myself. So no, this video is not paid for. This is not a sponsored video. This is not an ad video. Fabfitfun doesn't give a shit about me. Doesn't even know that I exist. And I don't even know if code Dawson works. You know what? Let's find out if my code works. Might as well find out right now, right? Yeah, so my promo code, Dawson, does not work. That's always exciting, especially when it says right there that I would have that. So that is something that is always fun. So I don't have a code. I did, but it doesn't work. But the code Allie for Allie Glines does work. So if you guys do want to get this, by all means, go ahead and use her code because it's $10 off the box, and it's $10 off the box. So might as well, right? All right, so let's go ahead and just dive on into this. Now, I actually got an email, I want to say a couple weeks ago, that asked me to customize my box. I was able to pick out 3 items for my box, and yeah. I don't know when they start sending these out because I know someone, I saw reviews start getting posted like weeks ago. So I don't know how this really works, but I think like you have like a certain time period to get the spring box, winter box, and all that type of stuff. I'm still really new to this, and I always struggle to get into these boxes. So the first thing we see in here is a magazine, and on the back it says that you can win a trip to Arizona. What? I would love to win a trip to Arizona. And in here, this is actually the coupon book. So they show you everything that you're going to get in here. Well, not a coupon book, a guidebook of some sort. But it shows you everything you'll have inside your box and what you could have had, what you couldn't have had. It tells you everything, which is something that I really do enjoy. And then it goes into talk about all these women and their businesses. And I don't really ever dig into the rest of the magazine because I honestly just don't care. I know it sounds bad, but I really just don't care. So let's see. They also put a bite teeth thump something in here, and they obviously put a Fabfitfun. Wow, they put a HelloFresh meal kit in here. You guys do know I do love my HelloFresh. I know there are some issues going on. People are saying they're not always getting the freshest items in their kit. I can definitely attest to not always getting the freshest vegetables, but I still really do like them overall. So let's dive in. Alrighty, so the first item that I see is this Adin thermal spring water for sensitive skin. Let's see. Are we something that I picked? Okay, you're 8C. 8C, and wait, well, okay, this color coding crap I gotta get used to. Okay, so what does color coding mean? FFF, Fabfitfun will surprise you with an option we'll think you like. Okay, so Fabfitfun picked this out for me, and this is Spritz Your Face with Hydrating Spring Water to calm, soothe, and soften skin. This retails for $14. Well, let's spring my skin. All right, does it say directions? I can't read this. This isn't even in English. I don't know. It's not written in English, though. It's nice and refreshing. It's just water, right? Thermal spring water. Well, I am nice and hydrated. It's actually kind of cooling. I'm not even gonna lie. It actually feels pretty nice. That would be kind of exciting to have. I mean, my natural sweat would do the exact same effect for me, but it says you can put this on damaged skin after exercise, during travel, for sunburn, after a surgical procedure, itching, facial redness, to complete makeup removal. Wait, do you use this for makeup removal? After hair removal, razor burn, diaper rash. Well, damn, you're just for everything. Well, shit. But that is okay. Thanks. Thanks, Fabfitfun. All right, the next item is from AG Hair Care Fast Food Leave-On Conditioner Moisture. And that is select members. Only select members get to customize these options in their box. Otherwise, Fabfitfun would choose the best option for you. Want to pick next time? Upgrade to select membership. Well, I got to somehow pick this, or just got thrown in here. Okay, so either way, this is a dealing with frizzy or dry hair. Uses leave-on conditioner to moisturize and help soothe split ends. It says retails for $24. I actually really do like AG hair care, so that's really nice, especially since I do dye my hair. I need to make sure I have the best hair care available for me, and I definitely need to moisturize my hair at all times so I can keep it from being dry. God, that smells so good. That smells like heaven. This is Murad Rapid Collagen Infusion. This is 2B. This is for all members. So this is the Murad Rapid Collagen Infusion. This is formulated with collagen amino acids. This treatment visually minimizes the look of fine lines and wrinkles, and it's $78. Well, since I am over 30 at this point, we all know that these boxes love to tell me that I'm old and need to start working on wrinkles. So that's what we're going to start doing, guys. You smell like kale. But I'm excited to give this product a try. I've heard nothing but good things from this brand, so that's exciting. All right, the next item is, Deep Sleep Body Cocoon, a multitasking beauty sleep savior for better nights and better mornings. This works. So let's see, where are you in here? And this is what Fabfitfun picked for me, and this retails for $40. Use this cream to bring calm and relaxation while nourishing your skin. Well, don't mind if I do. I would never in a million years spend $40 on lotion, but oh my God, you just poured right out. Aww. What smell are you? Because you have like a lavender scent, but I don't think you just have lavender. Yes. Chamomile in here as well. I smell like tea. Oh God, I smell like tea. This doesn't make me relaxed. This makes me stressed out that I smell like tea. All right, another item is... Why do they pick such funky names? I don't understand it. 4A, this is Jabonera Marinella Imperial Jade Body Oil. Moisturize and replenishes skin with 100% pure oils and vitamins. This is a $68 product. And this is a select member. I never would have picked this, so I clearly did not pick this. I don't even know why I have this in here, but this is not my pick. You smell like lemon. All right, so this is something I know for a fact I did pick for myself. I remember this clearly. This is something that I did not pick then. Okay, this is the Amber Scent Double Coin Necklace. This gorgeous double layer coin necklace features a detailed coin design and a gold colored chain. This is for $50. I swore I picked this. Oh, shit. Okay, there we go. Wait. Did I already get it tangled? Damn it, Allie. Nope, just made that worse. Okay, it goes around the bunny hole. Nope.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time card.
All right, well, this is cute. I mean, I want it to be like a little bit shorter so you guys can see it. Oh, look, this looks like a Cartier necklace. Look who suddenly has money. Yeah, right. Yeah, right. It would be a dream of mine to own Cartier. Please, that'd be so nice. I will definitely pretend that this is Cartier to make myself feel better. Next one, ooh. Oh, okay, yes, this is something I did pick. Okay, yay! This is silicone straws. 7A, this Cheek and Tonic silicone straws. This set includes 4 silicone straws as a brush cleaner and carry case so you can sip your drinks on the go, and this retails for $15. You guys know I don't really care to use plastic straws, and this is a Fabfitfun pick, but I picked it myself. But you know what? Whatever. We're just going to go with it. Oh, these are so cute. Those are nice. Okay, that's exciting. Oh, and what's this? What is this? It's plastic case. What's the plastic case for, though? Unless they bend. Are they bendy? Oh, they're bendy. That's why. Makes sense. All right, and the last item, I distinctly remember I picked this out for myself. This is a 1B. Might as well, I just didn't pick anything for myself. This is the Donna Ribbed Sweater Coat. Transitions into spring with this relaxation cardigan that complements all shapes and sizes. And this is a $99 cardigan. Well, it It ain't the cutest. This is something I wear around the house. Okay. All right, well, that's not the worst thing, but it's not the prettiest flattering thing on me personally. I don't even know if that's fully my size. I didn't see a size label on there. But I mean, it's something I can lounge around the house. So in total, I got 8 items and the retail value of my box is $388, which definitely is just worth it to me. I think one of my favorite items I got in here is actually this necklace. I think this necklace is super cute. It really reminds me of like the Cartier necklaces that all the rich people wear, and it just makes me feel like I can fit in for like 2.5 seconds. I really do love the straws that I got in here. I'm really excited about the moisturizer and the wrinkle cream because, you know, Lord knows I'm gonna need that. The water spray is rather interesting. I think I'm gonna put the lotions and the sprays and everything like that in a giveaway box. I know I won't ever use that. The robe itself, I mean, it's not bad. It's just something that, it's not even like a robe. It's just like a little cardigan that I'd wear just around the house. Not really necessarily out in public, but overall, I actually do really enjoy Fabfitfun. It's so nice to try something just a little different that doesn't just have a makeup base. I like trying other things as well. It just keeps it more entertaining for myself personally, and you never know what you're gonna get in these things. I really, like I said, I really love that blanket that I got last month, and my slippers, like those were like so fantastic to me. It's why I had to go get this box as well. You can always do add-ons and sign up for exclusive membership rights so you can get more items to pick from, get more items to choose from. I know I swore I picked this out, but I guess it's for all members. The things I thought I picked out were what everybody got, so I don't know. Or maybe everybody gets a choice to still customize. Maybe that's what I'm missing. I don't know. I'm still really new to this. This is my second box. This is the first box I've actually paid for, so I'm so new to the game. But yeah, guys, that is it for today's video. If you guys like this video, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post 3 to 4 videos a week. Also, make sure you guys head on over to my other channel. It is Our Photo Life. You guys can see my cool, wonderful adventures with my amazing fiance, Corey. And as always, guys, I want to thank you all for all your love and support. I'll see you guys for your next video. Bye! Unboxing the new... I should be ready. Okay. Hey, guys. What's... Oh, I'm shaking my whole desk. Hey, guys. No. Fabfitfun. Make sure I have all my information right, because I don't want to like sound like an idiot, because I do that all the time. Is a annual subscription box that retails for the, oh my god, really stupid ad. Hello. Okay. Oh god, that made it look so simple. Does all members get to have this, and my battery says saying fuck you. Okay. Okay, we're gonna pretend that y'all didn't see that trash in the corner, because I gotta clean that area all the time. It's embarrassing.